Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to text with a girl. Begin by sending your first message within 24 hours of meeting her. Make sure your initial text is personalized, perhaps referencing something you discussed. Keep it light and positive, making it easy for her to respond. A simple, engaging question works well to kick things off and show your genuine interest. To keep the conversation flowing, ask open-ended questions that invite more than a yes or no answer. Share a quick, interesting story or observation from your day to make it feel more personal. Don't be afraid to use a little humor or a well-placed emoji to show your personality, but avoid overdoing it. The goal is to build a natural, enjoyable rapport. It's crucial to avoid common texting mistakes. Never double text or send a barrage of messages if she hasn't replied yet. Give her space. Steer clear of negative topics or complaining, as this can be a major turnoff. Also, keep your texts relatively concise. Long, rambling paragraphs can feel overwhelming and difficult to read. Maintain a positive and respectful tone. Once you've established a good rapport, it's time to transition to an in-person meeting. After a few positive exchanges, suggest a specific, low-pressure activity like grabbing coffee or a quick drink. Clearly confirm the details, including the exact time and location, to avoid any confusion. This shows confidence and moves the connection forward from texting to real-life interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.